Hi guys, today we want to talk about a story of MAT 96 percentile to a 10 lakh package in HR.
Yes.
And without paying a single rupee as fees.
Yes.
So we'll talk about that journey. So before we start, I want to know about your introduction. Where are you from?
Hi, my name is Muskan. I am from Delhi and I came here to study my MBA in HR.
Okay. So Muskan, the moment you say that you applied, only gave MAT, this means either you want to hide your other scores, CAT, CMAT, CET scores, or number two can be you started preparing late.
I actually was pursuing chartered accountancy initially when I decided to move into HR. So I decided in the month of February, and the February had the first exam for MAT. So I started preparing late, and that is why I did give only MAT.
Right.
Yes.
So this is one thing, guys. Ki MAT ka score is accepted by this college, and May MAT is also accepted. You can apply for May MAT.
Yes, you can apply for May MAT.
So May MAT can also apply for.
From February till May, all the MATs are accepted.
Correct. So jiska score come, I suppose you're given CMAT exam, other exam scored less. So MAT can act as a very good backup plan to save 1 year.
Yes.
Because otherwise you repeat all the exam next year you want to go for. So that will waste 1 full year.
Yes.
Okay. Now move to scholarship part. Why you got this scholarship?
The first reason was because I was academically strong. I have always been academically strong.
What do you mean academically strong? How much academic? 90, 80?
96, 97 has been the average
96, 97, 10, 12 graduation.
Yes, like in 12th my highest was 94. But from 10th till even my graduation, I have always scored,
90 plus.
I was always been in the creamy layer. That was the first reason. Second reason was also because I have been involved into co-curriculars. I was a badminton player, not national, but I used to play badminton a lot. I also was a food blogger, and I had my own Instagram handle. So looking at a lot of factors, I think they decided to give me
So it's not just academic record, overall profile as well was counted.
Yes.
This is what I have seen, that if you have the complete profile, it's not just like marks based. There are a lot of things which are considered for that. And what do you mean by free fees? No fees at all, or you have to pay at least hostel and all you have to pay?
Yes, when we talk about scholarships, it only applies to our tuition fees.
Okay.
We have to pay for our hostel, which is again very minimum, and we also have to pay our admission fees again, which is very, very less as compared to any other college in India. So yeah.
So how much you paid? Admission fees, how much you paid?
Admission fees, I genuinely don't remember how much I paid.
But 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh?
Yeah, 1 lakh was
1 lakh something.
I think the total amount of money that I have paid in Flame till now is 4 to 4.5 lakhs.
5 lakhs. So guys, first of all, the fees for Flames is around 12.5 lakhs.
Yes.
So tuition fees waiver does not mean everything is free. Ke khana bhi free denge, coffee bhi denge, nahi. So only the tuition fees is waived off.
Yes.
So that from 12.5 lakhs you have to pay only 1 lakh of admission fees.
Yes.
And then the hostel charges around 3, 4, 5 lakh, whatever the hostel charges.
Yes.
So that's good, yeah. That's good. But there's a condition that to maintain a minimum academic record here in the college. ऐसा नहीं कि फोकट में तो तुम enjoy करोगे, ऐसा नहीं है.
No. They have a minimum score. We have to basically maintain a minimum criteria of 7.5 CGPA. If we score below 7.5 and between 7, they are going to put us on probation, which means they give us 1 semester to take care of and improve. And if we don't, our scholarship goes away. So that's a quite hard time. So if you study from start, if you attend your classes from start, it's very easy to maintain your scholarship.
Right. So once you join the college, what improvements you did, or what is your main one factor which you think that's why you got a job of 10 lakh package? Because HR normally pays less. Starting package is normally less in HR as compared to marketing or other areas. So what was that one factor?
Honestly, when I look at Flame, so I have never been out of Delhi before this. I've always been with my parents, and when I came to Flame for the first time, I thought I would not be able to make it at all. I thought I'll go back to home. But then Flame, my professors, the environment which I got in Flame, they have helped me to develop myself in a complete holistic way, I would say, be it sports, be it my personality, be it anything, which I feel has given me the confidence that I could, sit for interviews. Mr. Padmanava, who is my placement head, he spent a lot of time, helped me getting through my CVs, getting me the right certifications for HR, telling me how to prepare for the interview and everything. So I feel these are the factors, plus my academics and my faculty for HR, which is one of the best faculties here. I think they've all played an equally important role for me to be able to crack my interviews.
Correct. So faculty does matter. Yeah, obviously.
Faculty, yes, faculty absolutely matters, and I would proudly say that the faculty for be it HR, be it finance, or be it marketing, the faculties, they are very good faculties. They give you an one-on-one time. They, plus the student strength is not very huge, so we get a lot of one-on-one time with our faculties, and the course, everything, everything has played a very equally great role for me to be able to crack.
And a cool place. We can see this is an international style of. It's not even a library; it's a lounge, right?
Yes.
You can relax and you can study lounge.
We have a cafe over there, and we can sit here. We can work. We have this is more of a startup environment, right? You get to have food and work.
Nice.
So that's the environment.
Great. Superb, yeah. So thank you very much and all the best. So, which company you're going to join now?
I'm going to join First Source.
First Source. Okay, nice. So which is going to HR only.
Yes.
Superb. Thank you.
Thank you.